may I request this also, if you happen to be new, please don't be that person who says, Ma'am, sorry po, 2 months pa lang ako dito eh. Ma'am, sorry, don't be that employee because sa bawat pelikula, may ganun laging empleyado. Ma'am, sorry po, 6 months pa lang ako eh. Sorry po, 1 month pa lang ako eh. Sorry po, 3 months pa lang ako eh. I understand you may be new, but you could have done something about this. So what do you say? Sir, this is something I missed out. Let me get back to you in 15 minutes. Let me consult my colleague about this. Here?